Ever pondered why love makes you feel like you're on cloud nine? The enigma of love has been a subject of fascination and study for centuries. But what is love from a scientific perspective? Well, love, in all its giddy, jubilant glory, is essentially a cocktail of chemicals bouncing around in your brain. When we fall in love, our bodies release a flood of hormones and neurotransmitters that elicit a range of emotions from euphoria to obsession. One of these potent concoctions is dopamine, a neurotransmitter responsible for pleasure and reward, which, interestingly, is also stimulated by drugs. This explains why falling in love can feel exhilarating, akin to a natural high. It's like we're under the influence, intoxicated by the heady sensation of love. So the next time you're dizzy with love, remember, it's not just Cupid's arrow at work, but a symphony of chemicals playing a harmonious tune in your brain. Funny, isn't it, how love can make us feel intoxicated without even a single drop of alcohol? Did you know that love possesses the power to alleviate pain? Quite a curious fact, isn't it? Love is not just about butterflies in your stomach or stolen glances across a room. It's a superpower in its own right, working as a natural painkiller. Imagine this. You've just stubbed your toe and the pain is unbearable. But then you glance over at a photo of your loved one and suddenly the pain seems to lessen. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's the power of love at work. When we're in love, or even when we look at a picture of someone we love, our brain releases a cocktail of hormones. These hormones, including oxytocin and endorphins, act as natural painkillers. They flood our system, helping to dampen the pain and make it more bearable. So love is not just about romantic dinners and long walks on the beach. It's a superpower that can help us deal with pain. Next time you stub your toe, maybe try looking at a picture of your sweetheart might help. But hold on, love isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It has a darker side too. Now picture this. You're head over heels in love, your heart fluttering with every beat. But then something happens. A breakup, a betrayal, a loss. Suddenly your heart is not just metaphorically hurting, it's literally aching. This is not just a figment of your imagination, but a real medically recognized condition known as broken heart syndrome. This syndrome, also known as Takotsubo cardiomyopathy, can mimic symptoms of a heart attack, including chest pain and shortness of breath. It's triggered by intense emotional or physical stress, like the loss of a loved one. In essence, love, in all its glory and pain, has the power to physically affect us. It's a fascinating yet terrifying testament to the power of our emotions. So love can literally break your heart. Talk about irony.